Buongiorno. Today we got a tour of Murano and Burano Island. We stopped for a little meal. Gotta get some fuel before we go. Had to check out early from the hotel and then find a storage locker because the hotel was being a little weird with like where to put my luggage. They didn't really say anything, so we had to go to Plan B and find a new spot, and that's what we did. So now we're waiting. We got a little bit of time before this tour starts. And yeah, it's gonna be really cool. So quick update, made it to Murano and we're about to watch some glass being made.
We are making chandeliers, elements, different components of part of chandelier. Chandelier.
Like that's probably over 1,000 easily. It's just very expensive, but I mean it's hard handmade, you know, art. So yeah, probably gonna check out Murano, the rest of the island after this. So. Okay, so now we're on Burano Island. Somebody fell asleep a couple times, but we made it. And the reason the houses are all painted different colors is because she told us that like the fishermen would come home drunk and I don't know what house was there, so the wives started to paint to, you know, help the fishermen out, and they were a little intoxicated after a long day. But so yeah, that tower is leaning 94 degrees, the same as Pisa. And it's because it was built on the marshland.
Foundation of the town. So everything started over the marshy lands. Maybe you have seen them also from the boat, right? Marshy muddy islands emerging from the water. This is the very beginning of the times, some 16 centuries ago. People
using just needle and thread. To make a piece like this one, it takes 20 days of work, 7 women. There are 7 different stitches, and each woman is specialized in only one stitch. To start, there is just a drawing on paper, like this one, and a guideline made by the sewing machine that follows the drawing and put together paper and fabric just to have a base. A first lace maker by needle, bringing only the guideline, makes the first stitch is this full part. Another one makes only the little barrettes.
So, finally got the gelato on camera. Usually I just eat it before I can even record, but our tour guide said this place was her favorite, so we had to check it out. Here, the tiramisu. Molto buono.
Yeah, I wasn't allowed to get any.
Yeah. She's struggling with some kind of mysterious illness. We don't know. But we're praying for a speedy recovery. So next up, the pharmacy. So I'm walking towards the famous bridge here in Burano, where you can see all the colorful houses.
Sit on that ledge for
Beautiful view. What'd you say?
I'm gonna go sit on that ledge for a couple minutes.
What do you think? Yeah, sure, I'll go. So we are waiting to get on the boat right now, and we're leaving Burano, going back to Venice, the mainland, the historical center. Boat ride's about 40 minutes, and then we got a train tonight to Florence, but we got to pick up our luggage in a locker first, and we depart at 5:30. And it looks like everyone's getting on right now too, so see you maybe in Florence, maybe in Venice. Okay, so we just ate, and we're back on San Marco. Got our luggage from the lockers, and now we're heading to the train station. And our train's at 5:30, but it is currently 3:30. And we have a little time, but we also have a little walk. So, see you there. Alright, so we made it to the train station a little while ago, but we've been waiting because the train doesn't come until 5:30, and it is 4:50 right now. So we're just waiting. And yeah.
Desperately wanting a cookie.
There's no cookies in the train station.
Didn't even look.
We're on the train now. And here are seats. Nice little window. We got about 2-hour journey to Florence, and yeah, it should be a good train ride. Good job.